अमेरिका ने एक बार फिर दहशतगर्दी के खिलाफ पाकिस्तान की कोशिशों की हिमायत कर दी। तर्जुमान अमरीकी महकमा खारजा मैथ्यू मिलर ने वाज़ेह किया है कि पाकिस्तानी अवाम ने दहशतगर्दी के बाइस बेपनाह नुकसान उठाया। किसी भी मुल्क को दहशतगर्दी का शिकार नहीं होना चाहिए। उन्होंने स्वात में हुजूम के तशद्दुद से हलाकत के वाक़े पर भी तशवीश का इजहार किया।
Pakistani people have suffered tremendously from terrorist attacks. No country should have to suffer such acts of terror. The United States and Pakistan have a shared interest in combating threats to regional security. We support Pakistan's efforts to combat terrorism and ensure the safety and security of its citizens in a manner that promotes the rule of law and protection of human rights. We are always concerned by incidents of religiously motivated violence. Violence or the threat of violence against another person is never an acceptable form of expression, and we oppose blasphemy laws everywhere in the world, including in Pakistan, because they jeopardize the exercise of human rights and fundamental freedoms, including the freedom of religion or belief.